In this video, we'll look at creating a chatbot for a college or university that offers multiple programs. Complete the previous steps to create your chatbot until you get to this section. Then filter by education, and you are looking for the template called Student Recruitment Assistant Multi-Programs. Click Create. Choose Customize Chatbot. Choose Use AI to Help. You'll notice now this is slightly different, includes 2 programs and the ability to add more. Once you're happy with your programs, click Generate Sample Chat. And then Apply to my chatbot. Once your chatbot has been generated, click View Updated Chatbot and then Preview